What's good? What's good? It's your man Don Bucks. Welcome to another session of Chief and Chart, brought to you by Rap and Dough. You know, the home of money conversations. We talk all things Black wealth. This particular series, we touch on one of the solutions because there's no use of talking about issues if we don't have no solutions. So hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you know when your boy going live. So one of those solutions is options trading, right? And one of the elements of options trading is knowing what the charts is doing, hence the name Chief and Chart. So this episode is named Strawberry Lemonade. Why? Because that's what I'm chiefing. But guess what? Surprise, we hit 360. We touched 360 today. If you was tapped in yesterday, I told y'all what we was going to be testing today. The SPY touched 360, like your boy said, right? And it's not like I know what's coming because I'm some smart dude. We looking at the charts and we doing what the charts tell us. The chart is our eyes. This is why I named this show after the charts. Because you know what the charts are saying? Somebody asked me earlier. They commented on that video. Like, yo, how did you know it was going to 360? Every day I'm showing y'all how it's going to where it's going. So please take notes. And if you haven't already, grab my course so you can watch it over and over. And I'm giving you my course for free right now, every day. How I find the play, like what I'm looking for on a chart, where I'm getting in and where I'm getting out every day. Every day I show y'all. So this is not financial advice, right? This is for educational and entertainment purposes only, right? Because what do I know? What do I know? I said we was going to 360 yesterday. We went to 360, but what do I know? Right? I done took the small account challenge. So if y'all been paying attention to the small account challenge, people ask me how much it costs to get started trading options. I started this account with $100. Right? We're pushing 500 now. Right? Doing exactly what's on Chief and Chart. Y'all can't see it right now. Y'all kind of can see it. I got me a new chair, y'all. I was about due for a new chair. So I'm sitting comfy right now. But let's get into these charts though. Hopefully y'all had a good day in the market because y'all know what's going on. Because if y'all tapped into here, y'all know what's going on. SPY was on a downtrend. And like I said yesterday, we was going to touch 360. So let's look at it. Boom. Notice this Groupon. All right, let's hit the SPY. So y'all know we got to look at the SPY because the SPY is the overall market. Whatever the SPY is doing, a lot of the times the rest of the market is doing. So you have to draw your levels. What are levels? A level is where price has been down to and stopped more than twice, 2 times or more. So we notice this is a level from previously because price has memory. It's always going to go back to where it was at some point. So that is the layer of predictability that the market has. So you draw your levels in there, the ones below and the ones above. Being that we're going down, I figured I'll draw the levels that are below. So prior to it getting there, it was here before. This is a level. And back there somewhere, there's another level. So it was up here. Let's make this screen bigger. Now, these are daily bars. So we know with normal price action, once support is broken, it becomes overhead resistance. So it always gets tested. It's just normal price action. Either it's going to test it or come back through it, but it's going to retrace. After an exhaustion down, it has to retrace. After an exhaustion up, it has to retrace. So on its way down, I said it's going to retrace because it broke this support level, and it has 3 or more bars. So anything 3 or more bars, expect a retracement. A big, move to the downside or a big move to the upside, look for a retracement. So lo and behold, it came down, and I said we're going to retrace, test this resistance because it was support. Now it's resistance. It's going to test it, and it's going to go down to the next level. And sometime this week, I said that Sunday, actually. I said it's Sunday, yesterday. So, and look where it went today. It went all the way down to 360. It's not like I have some crystal ball. I drew the level ahead of time. That's why I said where it was going. So now I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see what the SPY wants to do, because right now it's meandering, it's consolidating. But according to the momentum, let's look at the momentum, because y'all know how I feel about the momentum. We still have momentum to the downside. All right. We still have momentum to the downside. So I see another retracement before it continues down, because right now it's outside of the Bollinger Bands. And if y'all know about the Bollinger Bands, anything outside of the bands is extreme. So it's doing some extreme shit right now, and it needs to retrace, because this is way more than this is 5 bars in one direction. So definitely expect a retracement, but it's going to retrace, I believe, up into this resistance. And resistance, the highest I believe it'll go is 370. Yep. The highest I think it'll go is 369, 370 before it retraces back down. See, it's already retracing. Look, boom. But you can't see that in the daily bars. That's why you have to drop down. You can't see that here. So you go into your trading time frame, and then you can see what's going on in that bar. So look, it's retracing already. Before we even seen this, I said what it's going to be doing. So you're going to be able to know what the price action is going to be doing next after you look at charts for so many times. You're going to start seeing the same thing over and over again. So this is retracing. The highest I think it'll go, like I said, is 370. So if this is retracing, everything else will probably be retracing as well. Right? So let's go to my play. While this was falling, I said, let me play AMD, because AMD was falling too. So I drew my levels, and I said, I'm getting in here. So I got in. Where did I get in? I've been in this since, what was it, yesterday I got in this? I got in this yesterday, end of the day. So basically it was up before close. Right before the close, it was up. And it started retracing this morning. So let's go to the trading time frame. Actually, let me draw his levels in here first, because I don't think there's enough levels in here, because this was That was today. That was yesterday. Day before. All right, so yesterday. Yeah, let's go to the trading time frame. All right, so here we go. Yesterday. So it dropped and I was looking for strength because you want to get in on a retracement, right? You want to get in on a momentum divergence. So on its way down, I want to get in when there's weakness, but strength. So I got in here. I took calls here, and the next level down, I assumed the next level down was 62. But upon further investigation today, I'm realizing that it's sitting on a level now. That's why it's doing this. It's sitting on a level from way back here, yo. Let me go to this daily. So look at this level it's sitting on. From way back here. What date? What is this? 2020, this level. This is what I'm saying. Price been somewhere, it's going to return there at some point. We just don't know when. So this is a level from way back here that it's sitting on. So let's draw it all the way back. This is why it's important to draw your levels. This is why it's important. So let's take this John all the way back so we can be precise with it. Boom. Let's make it bigger so we can see. I'll take this alert out of here if I can. I drew an alert on there because I'm like, if it crossed below this, I know it's going down. But let me take that out of there so I can see. All right, so yeah. That's the level it's sitting on. Now, the next level below that is 62. Now, that's the level that I seen. I don't know why I missed that or how I missed that. But this is the next level right here, 62. And that was the strike price I had. So as it started falling, let me draw that in here too, 62. Because that's where I said it was going. That's the level I seen. But until I took it to the weekly, I looked on the weekly and it was more clear. So sometimes you're gonna have to go to the later time frame in order to see stuff more clear, because as you go down in the time frame, you have more noise in the price bars. So that's where I thought it was going. The second one. So it's sitting on this level here. So this is how I would know where it's going. Somebody asked me earlier, yo, how'd you know it was going to 360? Because I just drew this level in here. Now I know if it falls through here, that's where it's going. But when it falls through here, I'm going to wait for a retracement, some green, because that will create a momentum divergence. Remember that? It's going to test this resistance because right now it's support. Once it falls through, it's going to become overhead resistance. Then we're going to have a green bar testing this line with weakness because this blue line is going down. So that's weakness, downwards momentum. So downwards momentum plus a green bar equals a momentum divergence, on top of the fact that it's hitting a resistance. So that is going to be short-lived strength because of this weakness, right? So I'm going to be looking for a retracement if this falls. I'm looking for this to fall, but it was meandering too long. So I took profit today. I took profit because as it started going, it started retracing and I started buying contracts for cheaper, but then it started going back down. So I said, you know what, I ain't messing around with AMD right now. Let me take this profit off the table. So where is it? I want to show y'all. So I ended up with only about 50 bucks, but profit is profit. It's not what I was expecting, but it will be once it dropped down. Oh, and that GoPro play, it's meandering too long, like, and the spread was acting funny. So I don't really like how the spread was moving around. At one time, it was 0 cents and 5 cents. I'm like, wait a minute. When I bought these contracts, the spread was 1 cent. How the spread 0? Like, I ain't like that. So I sold them for a $12 loss or something like that. And I gave back some of the profit on the AMD. So that's why it says 18. But let's look at it. Where's the history? Oh, here we go. History. Boom. So I bought the AMD. Right here. Was it here? Oh, that was it. Bought the AMD here for $96. Came down, I bought another one. So that means if I'm doing puts, the price started retracing. So the price of the contracts get cheaper when they start going against you. Remember, when you profit or the options contracts increase in profit when it goes in your direction, which is down. So when it goes up instead of down, the options contracts decrease in value. So that means they cost less. So I bought another one for 83 cents, aka $83. Then today it came down even more, and I bought a third one for $71. And as you can see, around 12 o'clock, it started to go up because at that point, my average buy-in price was 89 cents or something like that. Yeah, 89 cents or something like that. So what happened here? Yeah, so I sold one for profit. What's that? $7 profit, I believe. Not sure. How much was it when I bought it the first time? Yeah, 89. Yeah. No, it was 89 cents. So 89, 90. Yeah. A couple dollars. So then what happened then? It started going in my direction some more. Then I sold another one because mind you, I had 3 contracts, 2 more than I really wanted. But the only reason I bought those is because the parameters were still intact, and why not get them for cheaper if I could? So I sold another one for 118. So that's another. That was $20 profit. 98, 108, 118. Yeah. That's $20 profit. So I'm up now. So now I got the contracts, the amount of contracts that I actually want. But now my average buying price, like I said, is 89 cents. And then once I said it started meandering around a little too long, I sold the last one for 94 cents. All right. So I ended up in profit, but it didn't go the way I really wanted it to go. So where's my P&L? Here's what the small account is looking like. It's went crazy over the past month. Past month, I went crazy. Past 3 months. Okay, man, here we go. Past month. Yeah, I went crazy past month. Past 3 months. You feel me? I think that's how long I've been doing this. 3 months. This small account challenge. Like if you just put all the price stay the same. Yeah, see. So this is what it looked like over the past 3 months. So yeah, options. It's the options profit. So I turned 100 into 328. This was the free stocks they gave me. So, and the profit that it made. So it went up, the stocks went up a little bit before I sold them. So this is the stocks, and this is the options profit. So basically I turned 100 into 328 so far. You dig? So that's where we at. I don't think I'm in anything right now because like I said, it's meandering around. So I'm not in anything. And it's okay to sit some stuff out, but I am eyeing this. I'm eyeing AMD to fall below this. And then of course I'm gonna be looking for that momentum divergence if so. But we keeping an eye on the SPY because it's in this range here. It's bouncing between 370 and 360. So the daily says downwards pressure. So I will be looking for possible retracement, then more downward pressure for the rest of the week. It's your man, Don Bucks. If you want to learn how to swing trade, feel free to hit the description and hit the link. It's in there. It's a few more courses on sale. I think it's still $50. And if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe and notification bell so you know when Don Bucks is live, baby. Always remember, ain't no competition. It's always you versus you. See you tomorrow.